Daddy
splendid
Enzo.
thing.
Diggy dig. Diggy
You
dig.
get him.
Here she goes. Woo, 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 woo. Go, go, go.
Enzo!
Oh, look at his
Dig
face.
it! Dig it! Dig it! Oh. So bouncy.
I wonder
swear
if
he
it's
learned that
because
from
from
Nalini.
Nalini. Yeah, I've wondered that.
The lab that thinks he's a Portuguese watermelon.
And this is after like a 3-mile walk at least, right?
No. I can
Look
see,
at him.
You can see me doing that.
And labs, they're so, they have like hands on their front legs. I don't know if Enzo, it looks like Enzo.
Yeah.
They like touch things. They reach out and touch people. Oh. I only have eyes for Enzo. He's my hero. Enzo.
Oh boy.
Enzo's like, come over here.
Like individual fingers.
Diggy dig. Diggy dig. Go diggy dig. Good boy.
Dig it! Dig it! Dig
Good
it!
boy.
Dig it, Enzo!
Diggy diggy dig.
Dig, 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 get it, get it, get it, get it, get it! Diggy, diggy, dig it, dig it, get it, get it, there's a ball down there somewhere.
Where's your ball?
Where's the ball?
Where's your ball?
Get down
Get
there.
it.
Oh, get it, where is it? Where is it?
Tail's going a mile a minute. Big Mom, there is no ball.
Oh.